Hey guys, Soleno here from PlayToEarn.net. Today's video is the first part of our weekly news series, where we talk about news that happened in the blockchain gaming scene this past week, divided into game updates, teasers or announcements, and other news. For this video, we'll be talking about game updates first. So without further ado, let's get to the list. To start off our list, Fabwelt launches Android version of Arsenal mobile application. Fabwelt is excited to introduce its Arsenal mobile application for Android devices. The news was brought to the notice of its community members on the 25th of December. The mobile application aims to assist players aim effortlessly at their opponents and auto-fire with a high accuracy rate. The mobile version is also more convenient to use, as players can play anywhere and anytime on the go. In addition, participants have been allowed to invite their friends or loved ones to play Arsenal. They can also use their referral codes to get instant wealth bonuses. Another added advantage of this new version is the low quality option. This allows low spec devices to play Arsenal smoothly. Other exciting features of the mobile version include optimized battery consumption and an optional wallet connection. The Arsenal mobile version requires lesser processing, which does not load the hardware side of the device, thereby providing higher screen time while operating the game. Furthermore, there's no need for each player to connect their wallet before participating in the tournament. Once a player has an in-game wallet for the entry fee, the player is free to participate in the tournament. Fabwelt looks forward to adding more features, such as gyroscope and learning options. The team is also working on the iOS version, which is scheduled to launch in early 2023. This version will be available for Android users only. Next, Meadowlands shares major updates. Meadowlands, a PvPvE first-person shooter game, has released significant updates that will define the gaming project. Smart NFTs in Meadowlands will allow players to save their in-game NFT progression on the blockchain, making the NFTs mutable. When players improve their NFT character or weapon, the changes will be recorded on the blockchain, and the NFT's metadata will be updated. This new feature is expected to increase the value of NFTs, as a fully leveled character or weapon will be worth more than one just starting. To appeal to players who enjoy the type of gameplay offered by similar projects, Meadowlands is also introducing weapon skins. Some of these skins will be available for purchase, while others will be rewarded for in-game achievements. Players will also have the option to create or customize their skins using the in-game currency CFI. Meadowlands is also introducing a weapon inspection feature, allowing players to see their weapon skins clearly and view any changes made. This will allow players to appreciate and show off their skins to others. Players can access many features and activities from within their bunkers in Meadowlands. These include the abilities to customize their loadout, view the leaderboards, and customize their characters and weapons using items earned through gameplay. Meadowlands will also include a leaderboard system for players who enjoy competitive gameplay. The top players on the leaderboard will be eligible to receive various rewards, including NFTs, CFI, stablecoins, and other in-game items. Next, BR1 Infinite launches closed beta tests with USDC-funded tester accounts. BR1 Infinite, a highly anticipated shooter game on Solana, is now live in closed beta. According to Bravo Ready, everyone is welcome to sign up for the beta, with or without an NFT. Testers' accounts will also be funded with USDC so players can try out the game risk-free. How it works is that players will first pay an entry fee, usually around $1, to spawn in the game and earn the greater of 10% or $1 upon eliminating a player. For instance, if you took out a player with $20 on them in the $1 risk mode, you can earn the greater of 10% or $2 or $1 in return. In this case, you would earn $2 for that kill. Based on the example above, it can be seen that the play-to-earn mechanism in BR1 is pretty straightforward. There are no in-game currencies to grind for since you will be earning USDC from other players. As of this recording, this closed beta test is open for applications. Interested individuals can sign up to fill out the application form. Successful applicants will receive an access key, a free human operative, and some USDC to start playing. The best part is, gamers can also keep their earnings from the beta test. The team has also prepared a table of estimated hourly rewards based on specific kill-death ratios. The more entry fee you pay and the more skillful you are, the more you can earn, as shown below. To learn more, check out the official tweet here. If you're liking this news list so far, remember to check out our website and news section to be updated on everything about blockchain gaming. You can also subscribe to our channel to make sure you stay updated on all our videos. Now let's get back to the list. Next, DeepMind launches beta version. DeepMind has announced that its beta version is now available. DeepMind is a sci-fi themed metaverse strategy game that uses NFTs and features a decentralized autonomous organization or DAO, an open market, and a storyline that evolves over time. The beta version is key to releasing the final version. Thus, there may be several issues with the gaming experience, but this will get better as the team continues to fix bugs and work on aesthetics. The beta version will see improvements with time. By releasing the game in its current state, the development team is giving all players an equal opportunity to explore the gameplay and familiarize themselves with the interface before the introduction of more advanced features such as the engineer role and level progress. This allows new players to catch up and ensure that those who have had early access to the game do not have an unfair advantage when these features are fully implemented. Players are required to use the Wax wallet and Google account for authentication as it is the best route, although alternatives will be made available in the coming days. Next, Genso Kishi Dragon Tower update is now live. Genso Metaverse has announced that the Dragon Tower update for Genso Kishi Online is now officially live. Released on December 27 after hours of maintenance, the update brings with it 3 towers for players of the Fantasy Metaverse to progress through: the Dragon Tower, Corruption Tower, and Emerald Tail Tower. After the update launched, there was an unfortunate game freezing bug in the second level of the first mentioned tower caused by some skills used by monsters. The issue has since been resolved, and all players who ended up paying the entrance fee to the tower while this problem was present have been compensated by receiving a refund in the form of paid Emerald, with the team apologizing that due to system reasons, we can only compensate you with paid Emerald. In order to get to the Dragon Tower, the team has added NPCs in the L1 Mall to take you there. Some NPCs have also been placed on the Dragon's Gate map, while the cost and settings for repairing gear is now different, with the developers stating that everyone who repaired LR cosplay gear between November 30 and the maintenance on December 27 will end up receiving a refund of 600k MV. Throughout the aforementioned tower, players can earn Dragon Coins, which can be used to purchase various items in the newly introduced Dragon Coin shop. Next, Outer Ring Tech Demo is now available. Maniac Panda Games has announced that the tech demo for Outer Ring, a free-to-play blockchain MMORPG, is now officially available. This early version lets players complete the game's first mission, while trying out a variety of different weapons and exploring the Great Silver City either on foot or by using land vehicles. Even though this demo does not feature blockchain integration, that doesn't mean you aren't able to get a glimpse of the game's economy design, as the demo rewards you with fake GQ tokens, and even lets you use some of the items that are available as NFTs on the game's official marketplace. The demo also features a prototype for player-owned lands, giving everyone a taste of what it's like to customize your land plot, on which you can construct your own fortified home. Some content from the game's official partners can be found in the game as well, such as the Meta Brand's headquarters and an Easter egg from Cryptopolis. Made in Unreal Engine 5, the demo is free for everyone to play on PC, and can be downloaded by inputting your name, country, and email address on the official tech demo page linked in the tweet down below. According to the game's roadmap, an early access pre-alpha is scheduled to come out in June 2023. Next, Crabata releases Hard Adventure Mode. Crabata has released a new battle mode called Adventure Hard Mode, which will bring fun to the gameplay. The battle game version 2.0.0 will be available on iOS, Android, macOS, and Windows. Players that defeated Corniba in the Soulful Seaway and have finished the normal mode can test their strength by experiencing hard mode. Crabata is a cross-platform Web3 idle game set in a world inhabited by powerful hermit crabs known as Crabata, which are also the main NFTs in the game. Players can engage in idle gameplay and take on challenging foes as they explore the rich and ancient kingdom of Crabata, earning in-game rewards along the way. Crabata offers a unique engaging gameplay experience that combines idle mechanics with NFT collectibles. Recently, the gaming project released details on its economy, Age of Prosperity, which chronicled updates on the TOS token. Currently, the TOS token in Crabata serves both as an in-game token and a network utility token. The development team has found that certain design decisions would have negative consequences for both current and future participants in the network, including Swimmer network validators and game teams that choose to work with Swimmer network. Therefore, to ensure that the game and network are successful and sustainable, the team must carefully consider the impact of their design choices on all stakeholders. The Crabata development team plans to continue innovating and experimenting with the in-game economy, while allowing Swimmer network to operate independently. And lastly, Axie Infinity Homeland is now live. The intriguing release of Axie Infinity Homeland lets players own and develop their homeland on the planet of Lunasia. Players will equip local adventurers with the weapons, armor, and supplies needed to battle waves of monsters as they progress. Axie Infinity Homeland will be accessible via Mavis Hub for Mac and PC users. The alpha is only available to landowners. However, players can buy land on the Axie Marketplace to play if they don't have one. Players may assist their Axies in harvesting, producing, building, and pushing the boundaries of technology while owning and personalizing their land. They can equip local Lunasian adventurers with weapons and supplies as they face off waves of monsters. A leaderboard will measure the progress of players in each of these categories. The players who reach the top of the scoreboard during Season 0 will win unique in-game titles. The Axie Infinity team focuses on adding depth to the fundamental gameplay loops and developing attractive 3D imagery and creative elements. The team wants to improve the overall user experience, which is currently lacking, by enhancing button layouts, providing a tutorial, and including more general information. The release of Axie Infinity Homeland marks the official announcement of Phase 1 and Alpha Season 0. As per the announcement, Alpha Season 0 will last 4 weeks, followed by other Alpha seasons. The Axie team will depart Alpha after the game is smoothed out and improved over the next year, and all progress will be reset. However, players who acquire unique off-chain cosmetics during the Alpha phase will be allowed to retain them. And that's a wrap for today's news video. I'll be back tomorrow for another news video about our next topic group, sneak peeks, teasers, and announcements. And for more info on everything about blockchain games, check out our website at PlayToEarn.net, where we have the largest database of games that have all the info you need. That's it for today, see you next video.